In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use your Afterpay account on eBay. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to make purchases using Afterpay, ensuring you understand the payment process and requirements. Begin by ensuring that your Afterpay account is active and linked to your eBay account. You must verify that your Afterpay account meets B's eligibility criteria for using this payment option. To do this, you can log into your Afterpay account and check for any notifications or requirements needed to link it with eBay. Once confirmed, select an item you wish to purchase and proceed to the checkout page. It is also important to understand the payment schedule to avoid any late fees, as Afterpay allows you to split your total into manageable installments. At the checkout page, you will see various payment options. Select Afterpay as your preferred payment method. This selection will prompt a summary showing your installment amounts and due dates for each payment. Take a moment to review this information carefully. Once you're satisfied with the details, confirm your purchase. It is crucial to ensure that the first payment is processed successfully. After confirming the transaction, you should receive a notification indicating that your payment has been accepted. After completing your purchase, it is advisable to keep track of upcoming payments. Regularly monitor your Afterpay account for the status of your payments. You can do this by logging into your Afterpay account and checking the payment schedule. If any issues arise with your payments, reach out to either eBay or Afterpay support for assistance. Maintaining a record of your purchases and payments will be beneficial for your reference in case of disputes or inquiries. Using Afterpay responsibly is important for building trust with the platform, allowing for flexible spending on eBay. Properly managing your payment schedule will help prevent any negative impacts on your credit history. Pay attention to the due dates and ensure that you have sufficient funds available in your account for each installment to avoid penalties. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.